Make sure that you watch the previous training video so you can get the basics of the if function, because here I'm going to expand upon it, or actually I'm going to show you the benefits of nesting functions, and particularly the if function within another if function within another. It's called when you insert nesting. For example, look at my spreadsheet here. I've got my students, their midterm scores, their final, and then their average of those two scores. And I want to give them the final grade based upon their average score. Well, if they get a 90 or above, I want to give them an A. 80 or above, give them a B. So you can see that I've got one if after another. If it's 90 or above, A. If it's 80 or above, B. Let me go ahead and start this by hitting the equals key on the keyboard, typing in if. Hit the tab key to pop it open, the function, and it says, okay, what's the first logical test? Well, if this cell, go ahead and select it, is greater than, or let's say equal to 90, comma, so we can go to the next argument, true. If it's true, then let's go ahead and open quotes, A, close quotes, and then if it's false, let me go ahead and hit comma so I can get to the false argument, then we want to do another if. Well, if it's not this, then what's the next if? Let's go ahead and nest it by typing in if, hit the tab key. What's the logical test? Well, it's going to be the same cell, and then we want to go ahead and say if it's greater than or equal to 80, comma, then we want to go ahead and the true value is B, comma, if it's false, okay, we got to insert another if. So type in if, tab, and basically you can see the pattern that I'm going along here. I haven't gotten to the final false. I've actually replaced each false with another condition or another if function. Eventually I'll get down to the D's or F's, or maybe I'll just quit at the D's, but we'll go ahead and type in the next one and say that it's got to be this same cell. It's got to be greater than or equal to 70. And then what I'm going to do here is if they don't get a D, then it's got to be the final value. It's going to be F. So I'm going to go ahead and close that last false value here, not going on and replacing it with another if, and go ahead and hit the first set of parentheses so I can close off the first one, the first if function. Second set, you can see as I hit the second set it kind of highlights it for a second. Hit the parentheses again for the third set, hit the parentheses again so I got the final outer set, hit enter and hope this works, and oh cool, there we go. So well, anything 80 or above until it hits 90 gets a B. Let's go ahead and copy this function within a function by hovering over the lower right hand corner, and of course we're copying in the same column so we can use the shortcut, double clicking on the black autofill handle really fast, which is found in the lower right hand corner, double click and there you go. Let's test this, and let's go ahead and type in 60, hit enter, automatically updates to get a D. But if it's anything less than a 60, remember in the function here, the function within a function, it's got to be greater than or equal to 60. So if it's anything less, the final value is going to be F. So if I just type in 5, they get an F. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.